After shopping Dollar Tree for years, I know which items are still worth it and which ones I'll never put in my cart again. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into the Dollar Tree items I still buy and those I don't. Let's head over to one of my favorite spots at Dollar Tree, the beauty and personal care aisle. Everything here is still just $1.25 and there are some really great finds. I have a few staples that I always grab, and the best part is they're almost always in stock. And first up are the body sprays. These will cost you at least $5 elsewhere, and they can get very pricey. I love the Power Stick body spray, and my favorite is the Brazilian Mist. It smells just like the Sol de Janeiro version, which is $26 at Ulta. I like to use it on my hair after I've been to the gym to freshen it up, but it's a great body spray too. The next item I always grab is the Hydra Plus Hydrating Cleansing Gel by Extra Care. It has hyaluronic acid and works just like the $12 Neutrogena Hydra Boost. The Dollar Tree version does a great job of deep cleaning my skin with no leftover residue. Another great find are the leave-in conditioners. The one by Personal Care is a dupe for the $17 Sun Bum. It's a 3-in-1 that detangles, moisturizes, and controls frizz. The Power Stick version comes in several scents. Of course, my favorite is the Brazilian Mist. One unbelievable find is the liquid hand soap refill. It's a whopping 32 ounces for $1.25. The name brand refill runs $6 for 50 ounces, a huge savings per ounce and bottle. And Dollar Tree's other designer type hand soap is great too. Sometimes they also come in limited edition fragrances, but you want to shop wise here, so look for anything over 16 ounces and you'll be saving money. I also always grab nail polish at Dollar Tree. They often have name brands like Sally Hansen, OPI, or Maybelline, but even the LA Colors isn't bad, and I haven't seen nail polish for this price anywhere else, even on sale. And the same goes with the face masks. They get so many name brand and Korean masks that cost double or triple elsewhere. Dollar Tree makes it so easy to pamper yourself for $1.25. Now I want to talk about toothpaste for a minute. I used to spend a lot on Sensodyne, but I tried Natural White, the brand at Dollar Tree. Since my teeth are sensitive, I was nervous about switching, but honestly, it works just as well for 20% of the cost. And these interdental picks can get really pricey at other stores, but not only are they a fraction of the price of the name brand versions, they work just as well. I can't tell them apart. Now over in the hardware section, I have stopped buying the super glue because Dollar General sells it for $1, so the new $1.50 price tag is too much. The same goes for the rawhide in the pet aisle. It was never the best deal, but it wasn't too bad either. With the price increase though, I'll be heading to Walmart or Amazon instead. But in the Crafter Square, my go-to is the 6-ounce bottles of paint. These cost over $3 anywhere else, and my stores usually have a great selection of colors. Now I can't do this video without talking about the cleaning and laundry supplies. All of those items are now $1.50, and many of them you can get from Dollar General for $1, especially the awesome products, the dryer sheets, and the rubber gloves. But what I will continue to buy are the 6-pack of sponges, which are still the cheapest around, and the all-natural cleaning supplies in the black bottles. I'm sensitive to cleaners, and these don't bother me. Did you know they're actually the dupe for the Maverick that are $13 to $15 a bottle? The only product I won't buy in this line is the dish soap, just because I don't like it, not because of the price. Now in the health aisle, there are 4 products I won't buy anywhere else. I will actually go out of my way to get them from the Dollar Tree because of the quality and savings are that good. And those are the hydrocortisone cream, which will cost you $4 for the Walmart generic brand, and the antibiotic ointment is over $4 again for the Equate generic brand. Plus, gas relief, which I live on, is much more expensive at Walmart, along with the antacids like Tums will run you $5 at Walmart. So all of these items are still $1.25, and even if it goes up to $1.50, which I don't want it to, I hate to admit, will still be worth it. Now let's talk about the disposable products for the kitchen and bathroom. Honestly, there are a few I just won't buy anymore. For example, I used to grab the paper towels for crafting. Not the best quality, but they worked. Now that they're $1.50, they're definitely not worth it, especially when Dollar General has them for just $1. Same with the bathroom tissues. And I won't be buying the foil pans either at the Dollar Tree. I found foil pans at Family Dollar for $1.25, all different sizes, and some were name brand. But in this area, there are still two products that are a great deal and a must-have for my pantry, and that's the wax paper and the parchment paper. I love the little sheets, and it cuts back on using tinfoil for your pans. Plus, I read there's a link between aluminum foil and dementia, so I'm trying to use less foil. One area where Dollar Tree still beats everyone else is in the gift section, especially the gift bags. Even though they're now $1.50, they're still much cheaper than anywhere else. Sure, you might find a dollar bag at other stores, but they're usually small and plain. Dollar Tree has a great selection, all different sizes, and the bows are still $1.25, which is an amazing deal compared to what you'd pay elsewhere. And we can't forget about the greeting cards. This section in all the stores seems to be getting larger and larger. Some stores now have 2 aisles dedicated to cards. Plus, they have Hallmark expressions that are still 2 for $1. I'm not sure you can get a greeting card anywhere for 50 cents. And all the other Hallmark cards are just $1.25. A very good quality card and a nice selection. When it comes to household items, the things I have always bought at Dollar Tree are still a great bargain and hard to find cheaper. So I still buy 90% of my organizing supplies from the Dollar Tree. The selection can't be beat. And the dishes are a great buy at $1.50. The quality is compared to Walmart, and Walmart will cost 2 to 3 and even 4 times what you will pay at the Dollar Tree. And the same goes for the glass canisters, which really help me stay organized too. Now in the food aisle, I've always skipped a lot of items here since I know I can do better elsewhere, especially when things are on sale, even back when everything was just $1. But I always check this section because Dollar Tree gets in so many name brand finds. And of course, there are a few items I buy on repeat that are a great deal. First up is the shelf-stable milk. This is a great item to use daily or just have as a backup. This has saved me so many times when I've ran out of milk. It's also good in the pantry for up to 6 to 12 months and costs 2 to 3 times the price at other stores, so it's one of those smart Dollar Tree buys. Next are the sardines and mackerel. On this day, the store was out of the sardines, but I keep them on hand for my dog. It's a nutritious addition to her food, and she loves it, and the price, again, just can't be beat. You'd pay the same for much smaller cans at Aldi or Walmart. Another pantry staple for me are the Hungry Jack hash brown potatoes. My grocery store doesn't carry them, and we love them. I heard Dollar General might have them for $1, but I haven't seen them there yet, so Dollar Tree is where I always grab them. For baking, the sweetened condensed milk is a must-have because it's twice the price everywhere else, and you can't tell the difference from the name brand one. And now for my sweet tooth. A lot of the cookies are great, but my favorite are the fudge mint and the European lemon shortbread. You can't get this size package of cookies anywhere for $1.25. It's such a great deal. And for my fiance who is diabetic, I never leave the store without the Russell Stover's sugar-free chocolates. Well, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what your Dollar Tree staple is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.